So I really love online business, okay? And you can see the reason why I love online business, because one, it just takes me 30 minutes in a day and I'm done. And look at the kind of money that I make with it. Can you see that payment going to my bank account of $1,430? Come on, guys, is that not awesome? So if you want to get payments just like this, an online business is the best thing. Let me show you another product that I'm promoting right now, and look at how much I've made already with this one. $32,829. Look at that. You can see that's my account there. That's my picture. That's my name. And you can see that amount of money that I've made already. $32,829. And look at the way the sales are coming in. How do you like that? So if you really want to earn extra income from home, you want to start an online business immediately, right now, so that you can make commissions like this. Let's check another product. Now this is another product, and this, you can see how much I've made here. $8,447. And you can even see that the sales keep coming in every day, man. It's powerful. So starting an online business can be life-changing. And I'm not kidding you. It's life-changing. Look, in this video, I'm going to introduce you to an online business that is really going to blow your head. Really going to make you a lot of money. And how much do you think you need to get started? Just $25. And this is worldwide. Let me quickly show you that product here. Where is it? Yes, that's it. Can you see that? It's called the GoE1ULife, okay? This is a powerful company that you can promote their products and really make very good amount of money with this, okay? Now, let me even show you some of their products so that you can see. That's the GoE1ULife. You can see the kind of products they have: funnel builders, website builders, the email marketing, all workflow, automation, blogs. These are products that this company has. This is a software company, right? And it's so amazing if you promote their product, okay? And for you to be able to promote their product, which of course, if you decide to do, you will earn 100% commissions, right? It's powerful, 100% commissions. Let's look at let's look at the kind of commissions you get, okay? Now look at that. So if you can get started with this business for just $25, you see what I mean? And you will be able to earn $25 unlimited over and over again. That's 100% commission. Now, if you want to earn higher commissions, you can join the higher packages like the $100, $500, or $1,000. That's up to you, right? That's up to you. If you want to earn higher commissions, you earn 100% commission with this particular company. It's powerful. All right. And look, this company pays by Bitcoin, right? So they pay you Bitcoin. So look, if you want to get started with this company, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. So if you have not set up a Bitcoin wallet, go set up your Bitcoin wallet right now, because you need it, because that's the only way they pay you commissions, okay? So for you to earn commissions, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. But look, it's so lucrative, right? You can make a boatload of money with this powerful system. All right. So if you want to get started with GoE1ULife, it only costs you $25 one-time payment, no monthly fees. So anybody can actually make a lot of money with this particular E1ULife system. Let's go. So if you are ready to get started with E1ULife right now, just go below this video you are watching, just like this. So once you come below the video, go to the first link that says step 1, join GoE1ULife. Go ahead, click on that link. That will now bring you to this capture page website. Now what you have to do is very simple. Just enter your first name here and enter your best email address here. Let me quickly show you that. So all you do, enter your first name here, then enter your best email address here. Then you see the yellow button that says yes, give me free access. Go ahead, click that yellow button. Amazing. Now once you click that yellow button, you can now watch this video on this page. You see that very lovely video. After watching the video, you can now create your free account. Okay, so click on create my free account, then fill up all these details to the end and submit. Once you create your account, all you need to do is to pay your 25. First thing, you have to put in your Bitcoin wallet address where you get your commission, and then you pay your $25. It's simple, all right? I told you. And once you're able to pay your $25 with Bitcoin, you are now part of the E1ULife, and then you are going to get your link, and now you can start sharing your link all over the internet. And once anybody join you through this your link, you will earn instant $25 commission. And like I said, it's not just $25. So you can earn $100, $500, $1,000. It depends on the level you are. All right, so it's your choice, whatever level you want to join. So if you are ready to get started and joining my team, okay, you are going to be put in a matrix. Okay, you know how the matrix work. That will also help you to get spillover commissions. That's Bitcoins that you did not work for. This is an awesome system, all right? So if you like this video, please click the like button. Also click the share button, but don't forget, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment below. I will respond to those questions. So with that, I'm done for today. I will see you again. Take care. Bye.